Right, Shivangi. So, welcome to this discussion, and I hope you are doing good. First of all, congratulations for getting placed into TCS.
Thank
So,
you. Thank
how was your experience in the joining process, and how are you feeling now?
you. See, uh, now this is going very good. I'm so excited to start. Currently my onboarding is going on, so probably it will take one more week. After that, I can start my work. But in the starting, I was very nervous, like how I'll do and these all the things because. Considering my background, so as I already informed to the scholar, so like I was from a non-IT background and now I am switching to the IT. So this is a big change for my career. So I was very nervous in the starting, but now I'm okay as I'm going through this process and all this learning and this the interview sessions and the support from the scholar. So I have prepared these all the things like how to do uh, how to do the preparation of the interviews and everything. So now I can say I'm good.
So, how was the training experience overall, and how the placement support helped you to achieve this placement?
See, placement support, I would say actually I have joined this scholar at the time of the when the pandemic has started. So it's a big, it's a long time back, but I have done this course and in between there is some gap, and again I thought no, I should not do this gap, and again I have started this the practice session, and that time I have realized no, I'm missing something. I need some more. Some more training or maybe some more support. So I connected to Mr. Pavan is there in a scholar. He helped me a lot, and my mentor, Mr. Rakesh Kumar. So I connected to him, and even after the session was over, and they helped me, and yeah, this was very nice experience with a scholar. Even after the session, they give me this opportunity to connect with them, and I can ask the questions, and they have solved. They give their best to promote me and to motivate me.
Okay. So, congratulations once again. I hope you will do well in TCS, and you will have a good, good career into the IT field.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.